Hi everyone. So I'm Dr. Karthikeyan. So I'm going to give a brief overview of how we are going to conduct the NEET SS MCH entrance classes for the entrance exam. So we are from the Assure Surgery Education Foundation. So already there has been a Assure Medical Foundation which has been running the classes for DM entrance exam. So now we are starting it for the NEET SS MCH entrance, and I will take you through how we are going to plan these things. Our strategy is going to be we are going to give equal weightage to the general surgery and the specialty based classes. So as you know, 60 marks is for the specialty and 40 marks is for general surgery. So you will be enthusiastic and more interested in learning the specialty because you will be thinking that general surgery has already been read. You have passed the exam and then you are appearing for this entrance exam. Some would have already completed general surgery some 2 3 years back and now they are trying for the specialty. So whoever it may be, specialty is always good to read and good to learn because you are learning a new thing and you will be concentrating on that all the time. But general surgery is more neglected, and in the end, when you try to cover up the general surgery, it might be very difficult for you to complete it. And moreover, this is the one which will give you the edge. If you score a good general surgery mark, then you will have an edge and a higher rank in the overall scoring, and that is what will enable you to get a seat. So our specialties at Assure include our hand-picked faculty. So they have a dedicated learning interest, teaching interest. They have graduated from top institutions and they are available for the chat through the Telegram platform. So we will be doing this entire session as an MCQ based teaching session. It will be short spaced out lecture scheduling to ensure assimilation of knowledge as opposed to crash courses which run even up to 12 hours a day. We believe that slow and steady wins the race. So lectures will focus on concepts and clinical based discussions while we are planning to give the facts as notes. There is a dedicated live general surgery stream also for the general surgery classes. Coming up to invite to introduce the teams. So the general surgery team will cover general surgery as core topics and specialty topics. So core topics will be for 20 hours, which will be covered by incoming faculty to specifically deal with special topics. They are the surgeons who have an academic interest and they will be covering these topics in depth. While the specialty topics contribute to other 80% of general surgery, they will be covered by the specialty teams themselves. So the basis of these classes will be Bailey and Love and to some extent Saviston. However, the topics will be covered by the super specialty people. So they will be able to share their experience, their clinical knowledge, and in-depth assessment and understanding of the topic. So they will give you an insight of the same topic in a more say depth, and it will be very good that the general surgery topics are being covered by the super specialty people. So the urology will be covered in around 90 hours to 100 hours. That is the expected time schedule. So they will be covered in based on the 12th edition of Campbell, which was recently released. So these questions will be based on the 12th edition and they will be the major headings are given here. So we will be covering urology in around 90 classes and we will have around 4 to 5 sessions of revision classes. The pediatric urology part will be covered by a pediatric surgeon with a special interest in pediatric urology. The surgical gastroenterology and hepatobiliary surgery. So this will be covered by an exciting team who are from GB Pant Ames and MMC. So they will be basing their questions and the classes on the alimentary tract from Shackelford, liver biliary tract and pancreas from Bloomgart's, and also from other standard textbooks. They will be covering the surgical gastroenterology and hepatobiliary surgery in around 90 hours. So apart from this, they will also be available on the Telegram platform and they will be also covering the general surgery classes. The urology will be covering the general surgery part of the urology part of general surgery, and the surgical gastrohepatobiliary part will be covered by the gastro team. The surgical oncology team is from Tata Memorial Institute, one of the pioneer institutes for oncology. So they will be basing their classes on Devita and other standard textbooks. They will be covering all the cancers in detail and they will also have miscellaneous classes on risk factors, pathology, molecular oncology, radiation oncology, basics of nuclear medicine, etc. that is to provide the edge in the surgical oncology exam. They will also have a dedicated Telegram stream. The neurosurgery will be done by Dr. Nidhi and a team from GB Pant. So they will be covering the neurosurgery questions mainly from these two books, and they will be done in 60 hours. So the major topics include the ones listed here, and the schedule will be soon put up on the website. Pediatric surgery will be covered in around 25 to 30 hours from Dr. Arvind and his team from MAMC. So he will be covering the entire pediatric surgery spectrum from these two textbooks, that is Ashcraft and the Cotton, and they will be in these subject heads. So they will be covering the topics in around 20 to 30 hours, and similarly plastic surgery also will be covered in around 20 to 30 hours, and they will be mainly based on the Grab and Smith. So that is for the teams which are already, we have started the scheduling of classes. The tentative schedule of the classes will be, at the beginning, we will be having 2 urology and surgical gastroenterology classes, and 1 each of surgical oncology, neurosurgery, and general surgery. We have designed the schedule in that such a way that we will be able to accommodate candidates who want to cover 2 subjects. So we will be squeezing in the plastic and the pediatric surgery, which are relatively shorter subjects, in between this schedule based on how the candidates join and take the subscription. So a candidate can take up general surgery along with 2 super specialties. So it can be urology and surgical gastroenterology, urology and plastic surgery, something like that. So if a candidate chooses urology and surgical gastroenterology, they can easily be accommodated here. However, if plastic surgery and pediatric surgery are opted along with one of the major subjects like this, then we will plan and schedule in such a way that most of the time the students are able to attend the classes live. So at this point, we will be having Monday, Friday urology, Tuesday, Saturday surgical gastroenterology, Thursday surgical oncology, Wednesday neurosurgery, and Sunday general surgery. Along with this, we will have plastic and pediatric classes. So what are going to be the contents of the classes? So there will be mainly 5 heads. So there will be an online lecture, fact sheet, monthly mock test, Telegram group, and revision classes. And the online lecture will mainly focus on teaching difficult topics, concepts, and helps in understanding clinical based questions. The fact sheets will cover the important facts, often repeated points which do not need teaching but need stressing. Monthly mock test will cover the overall month schedule with a focus on the important topics in revision format. So if you see all these 3 things put together, we are going to have a comprehensive scheduling. So the online lecture will be able to cover the topics, say the surgical gastro will be starting with colorectal on one side and liver on the other side. So they will be covering these topics in a span of 2 months. So the first month, once it is over, at the end of the month, you will be having the online lectures and the fact sheets with you. So once you read the topic, you attend the class, you clear your doubts, read the fact sheet, you will be taking the mock test to know where you stand. This mock test is also the additional points will be covered in this mock test. So when you combine all these 3 things along with the regular Telegram group chats, discussions, etc., you will have almost 90 to 95% thorough understanding of the topic, and you'll be having the confidence. So the Telegram group will provide important snippets, thought tweaking questions, doubts, important images and clinical scenarios, which we already started on the Need SS General Surgery platform. Revision classes will be only for those who subscribe to the full online lectures, which will be focused and to the point. That will be at the end of the entire schedule of classes is done. So how do you plan yourself and make maximum of the Azure classes? See the online schedule in advance, which we'll be putting on the website on November 16th. Plan your days to get the maximum, and please read the topic from the recommended textbooks at least once. If at all you are busy, caught up in a case or something, then use the link and attend the class. Otherwise, it is always best to attend the online class so that you have the maximum understanding, and the same time you can interact with your faculty also. Try to read the topics the same week, at least the same month, and attend the mock test which are conducted at the end of each month. That is to know where you stand. Please focus on general surgery also. As I already stated, Bailey and Love will be the basis, and you have to always spend your time equally on general surgery and the specialty topics. So you should use the Azure platform to understand the concepts, focus on important points, attend mock tests, attend the discussion and revision sessions and the general surgery classes. Use the Telegram to share and gain knowledge. Model classes we are going to start on 9th November. The links will be provided on the website, the Facebook page, and on the Telegram group. The Telegram group is also active in the form of snippets and MCQs, which have already been, the discussion is already going on. Do not lose heart. You are not alone in the race. We are there to assist you. So how do you contact us? So you can contact us on azsurecenter.com. You can email us at azsuresurgery@gmail.com. You can call us or WhatsApp us on this number 70 10 75 75 79. The Telegram link I have given here. This is the NEET SS General Surgery Assure. If you type this, you will get the channel name there and you can add yourself. So this is already one of the questions which have been posted and the people are already answering this. You can also follow us on Facebook on the Assure Educational Foundation web page. From there, you can get all the necessary information and you are free to contact us on these things. Hope to see you soon in the class.